Hello, this is a quick tutorial to show how to extract audio from a video in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can go to File, Imports, to choose File. And then we can choose a video file that has ocean wave sounds by import it. We can click and drag this footage into timeline, and then this video will be imported to composition. And then we make sure that we select the layer, and then we can press shortcut L to show the audio levels. If we double click LL, we can show the waveform. Actually, we can open the layer by using the arrow to show the audio levels and the waveform together. In the audio levels, we can make it loud or make it soft. I will keep 0 decibel. If we want to extract the audio from video, we can go to Composition and add Render Queue, or we can use shortcut Control M. And then we can go to Render Queue. In the output module, we can click the blue text to open the settings. In the output module settings, we can choose mp3 or we can choose WAV for the sound audio file format. I will choose mp3, and then we can set the audio setting. I will keep in default setting and click OK. And then we can choose the file location, click it, and then I keep this location and save it. And then we can render to render the audio file format. This is how we can extract audio from video in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.